Hi everyone. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you about equations. So let's say I have 3x is equal to 27. Now the first thing you need to know is that this 3x is actually 3 times x. This 3x here is actually 3 times x equal to 27. Now when we move something over the equal to sign, which we have to do because we want to find out what x is equal to. We don't want to find out what 3x is equal to, we want to find out what x is equal to. Now if I'm adding something on this side, if I move it onto this side, I need to subtract. If I'm subtracting, I need to add. If I'm dividing, I need to multiply. And if I'm multiplying, like this one here, I need to divide. So x is equal to 27 and I want to move this times 3 here. If I move this times 3, it will become divided by 3. So x will be equal to 9. Let's do another example. Let's say I have 3x plus 3 is equal to 30. So the first thing I need to do is I need to move this 3 onto the side. So 3x is equal to 30. And since I've got plus 3 here, if I move it here, I'm going to minus it. So 3x is equal to 27. Now, as we know from the previous example, 3x is actually 3 times x. So if I move this 3 here, I'm multiplying on this side. If I move it onto this side, I've got to divide. So x will be equal to 27 divided by 3, which is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9. Let's do one more example. Let's say now I have 5x minus 8 is equal to 3x plus 12. Now ideally what we want to have is we want to have all our x's on this side and all our numbers on this side. So this 3x, I need to move it onto this side. And this minus 8, I need to move it onto this side. So I've got 5x. Now we know there's a plus here. So it's a plus 3x will become minus 3x is equal to 12. And this minus 8, when we move it onto this side, will become plus 8. So 5x minus 3x is 2x. And 12 plus 8 will give us 20. Now we know that 2x is 2 times x. 2x is 2 times x is equal to 20. We only want x on the side. So x is equal to 20. Now what did we do to x? We multiplied it by 2. So if I move it onto the side, I've got to divide by 2. So x is equal to 10. And that is your answer. The most important thing to remember when you're doing equations is that when you move something over the equal to sign, you've got to do the opposite of what you're doing on this side. So if I'm adding, then I need to subtract. If I'm subtracting, I need to add. If I'm multiplying, I now need to divide. And if I'm dividing, I need to multiply. Don't forget, the key to mastering any of these topics is practice, practice, practice. Until next time, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye.